GMAT Focus Edition Quants. GMAT Quants Question Bank question number 4. Let's look at the question. Metropolis Corporation has 4 shareholders: Fritz, Louis, Alfred, Werner. Number of shares that Fritz owns is 2/3 of the number of shares of the other 3 shareholders. The number of shares that Louis owns is 3/7 of the number of shares the other 3 shareholders hold, and the number of shares that Alfred owns is 4/11 of the number of the shares other 3 hold. If dividend of 3.6 million were distributed among 4 shareholders, how much of this amount did Werner receive? You can pause the video and give it a try. The source for this question is GMAT Club. I'll get back to it. Now first let us look at the Fritz statement. Fritz own 2/3 of the number of shares the other 3 shareholders own. So what we can say here is that if we take the 2 part and the 3 part, so if we divide the total number of shares in 5 proportions, then 2 of them is owned by Fritz and the other 3 are owned by the rest of the 3. So hence what we can say here is that Fritz owns 2/5 of the shares. Now for the Lewis's part, we can do the same for the Lewis. As Lewis owns 3/7 of the shares owned by the other 3 shareholders, what we can say here is that 3 plus 7, which gives out 10. Out of 10 proportions, 3 are owned by Lewis. Same goes with Alfred, where he owns 4/15 of the shares. Now it is just basic arithmetic. Now we can simply add all the 3 fractions, and what we will get is that 29/30 are owned by all 3 and 1/30 is owned by Werner. So out of a dividend of 3.6 million, what Werner will receive is 1/30 of 3.6 million, which comes out to be 120,000. Keep practicing. Thank you.